Madam, this matter is fixed for today for admission, madam, but it has not been listed today, madam. May matter may be taken Monday, madam, next Monday. Coming Monday, madam. Tuesday, oblige, madam. Oblige. Yes, madam. Oblige.
May I please ask? Proceed by recommendation item number 17, madam. Yes, 17, 17, madam. This case, madam, the order has been complied, madam. Yes, madam.
I am for the. Yes. Payment. Oblige. Oblige.
May I please, Joseph? As regards item number 11 and 12, madam, some correction is required to be made, madam. So I want to withdraw it and refile it, madam. Corrections has to be.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I beg to mention for listing of two admission column, my lord, pending matter, my lord. Pending matter, my lord, on next week, my lord. My lord, some urgency, there is a promotion process is under challenge, my lord. Despite the pendency, my lord, they have initiated before 20, my lord. It's possible, my lord. December, my lord. March.
Oblige. I pray for listing of a new case on Monday, madam. The matter pertains to, madam, I have challenged the, madam, second so-called notice, madam, whereby I have, but tomorrow, madam. Yes, yesterday, madam. Sorry. Yes, madam. I've got the, madam, the serial number also, madam. But there's an urgency because, madam, the time will expire by Monday, madam, Tuesday, madam. 8, Monday.
May I please, lordship? I beg to mention item number 25 on behalf of H. Gupta, lordship. Lordship, he has got some personal difficulty today. That matter may kindly be taken on any other date, lordship. 25, lordship.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention for listing of a repetition for admission column, my lord. My lord, matter pertains to suspension, my lord. Lord, matter may come next week, my lord.
Oblige. Please, your lordship. I beg to mention supply list item 29. My senior learned counsel F. Hussain is not well. The matter may come up on Wednesday. Supply list. F. Hussain. What oblige?
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9, lordship. Lordship, my senior is out of station, so matter may be adjourned for that day, lordship. J.I. Mundal. Oblige, lordship.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, mention for listing, lordship. Admission. Yes. Lordship, maybe next week, lordship. It's a pension matter, lordship. Last.
My lordship, listing for one order matter, lordship. Order matter, lordship, on Wednesday, lordship. With the matter, otherwise the affidavit filed by the government, it's a service matter, termination of CISF constable, lordship. So already they have filed affidavit. So it may be ordered. No, Lordship, his age factor is concerned that he is not been able to apply anywhere. Lordship, highly concerned.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, the instructions are awaited and one of the instructions today. Your lordship. Earlier, bless you. Well, already given. Earlier, bless you.
May it please your lordship. My lord, the petitioner before lordship, she is the second wife of Baba Chandra Karji, my lord. My husband was the constable of RPF Rangia, my lord. He died on 23 July 2025, my lord. As per thereafter, my lord, after expiring, my lord, I made a representation before the officer concerned regarding my 50% of family pension, my lord. As per the 58 CCS pension rule 50 subclause 18C, as per OM 10, 10, 24 and 27, 25 CC entitled to family pension. I'd like to draw your lordship kind attention, my lord, that OM at page 33. And my representation also, my lord, I have enclosed theory at page 23 and Annexure 6. Sorry, Annexure 8. As per this OM, my lord, lordship will find 4, serial number 4. Whereas the rule 58C of the CCS pension rule 21 state debts. Whether deceased government servant or the pensioner is survived by more widow than one, the family pension shall be paid to the widows in equal shares, and on the death or ineligible of the widows, her share of the family pension shall become payable to her child and children who fulfill the eligibility condition mentioned in sub-rule 9. Very next page, my lord. The position of the reference to the legality of marriage and spouse are clarified. However, this department still receives many references seeking clarification on this point. In order to avoid time in decisions making, the rule position is retreated. Having second wife when the first wife is alive is against the provision of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 and also contradictory to the provision so the administrative authority. It is very important to have an application of mind while examining such cases and interpreting the rules. For any disputes arising out of them, the replies, the briefs for the tribunals and court need to be suitable preferred by the accordance with the CCS pension note. Finally, last paragraph, my lord. The all minister and departments are requested to follow the process of the consultations with the Department of Legal Affairs before arriving at a decision regarding the settlement of the family pension between two wives under CCS pension rule 21. Such cases must be brought to the notice of the officer dealing with the pensioner benefits in the receipt of the Ministry Department attendance subordinated office. So, my lord, kindly have a look on the page 30 Annexure 8, my lord. On 14 August 2025, and detailed representation I have made, my lord, and even I have brought on record in my representation that is OM dated 10/10/25, same OM, my lord. So at least this, my lord, since the as per their of memorandum, there is a legal affairs. Yes, there are legal efforts brought to be the concerned authorities there to settle this issue. So my humble summary at this case, my lord, instead of going to the merit of the case, my lord, if the authority concerned my representation as per regarding my entitlement of family pension, my lord, as per the OM 27/10/25 and 10/10/24, let the authority decide on this point, my lord. And I'm apprehending, my lord, the first wife, this is respondent number 6, she get all the pension. So some protection, my lord. Yes. And my lord, the CCS pension law 21, I have brought this, my lord. It is rule 50, subclause 8 and C. The 72 is uphill, my lord. This is 21, my lord. Can you do na? এখন দিদিও একো নাই Start close AC, my lord.
Lordship, whether it was considered or not, that instruction I don't have. If he wants that, it should be considered and
He took to this. কোটি দি দিয়ে মোক মেৰিটো একো নালাগে
গম পাইছো।
Realism. Prabhat Chandra Kurji. January 20.
January.
Think the perfectly smooth. Okay.
50.
Yes, my lord. Yes, deeply obliged.
Obliged.
May I please look? My lord, another writ petition of this writ petitioner is pending, my lord. That may be listed along with this matter, my lord. WBC number 3498. 3498. 2024, my lord. 24, my lord. My lord, this is my lord, notice was issued, my lord, and some interim order was passed, my lord. My lord, both the matter may be taken up together, my lord. Monday, my lord, kindly. My lord.
Always.
My lord, kindly, my lord, this is important matter, my lord. My lord, moving the matter, my lord, the matter may be disposed of together, my lord, because I am relying some judgment, my lord. Kindly, my lord, Monday, my lord. 12 month. 12 my lord, December. Deep look. बोलो लो साइड होगा.
May it please your lordship. My lord, the petitioner was working as an officer in charge of Golokganj police station. He, my lord, he arrested one Sirajul Haq because of smuggling of cattle. My lord, during investigation, my lord, that Sirajul Haq injured one of the constable and tried to flee away from the arrest, and he was, my lord, then ultimately the petitioner, my lord, fired him on his leg, and that matter was informed to the state commission, police commission, and ultimately at page 30, after taking all the evidences, my lord, the state commission at page 30, suo motu take up the matter. Before that, my lord, your lordship will find that all the statements, depositions were taken care of by the state commission. And my lord, at page 30, on 28/8/25, that suo motu it was taken up, and at page 37, direction was given that the department will place his commission, will place additional facts, and if not required any departmental proceeding or others, will inform the commission. And ultimately, my lord, on page 39, your lordship will find the authority, police authorities department informed the state commission that page 39, para 1, it is submitted that no departmental or disciplinary action is warranted against the petitioner in connection with the said incident. That was a direction given. And ultimately, the commission held in page 41, paragraph 10, that whatever is maybe the reason shown by the department, but still then the DP should be drawn against the person at para 10. The DGP is hereby directed to act upon the decision rendered by this commission on 28/8/25, pass in success and submit the ATR on the date fixed in this order. So, my lord, that was my lord, so the proceeding should be initiated. My lord, I am before this court on two counts, my lord. One is, my lord, the deposition that has been taken, that without giving me an opportunity of cross-examination. Nothing has been given. My lord, I have gone through some of the other judgments, my lord. My lord, though it is not binding, my lord, I've found one division bench judgment of Tripura High Court where it says, my lord, if cross is not given, it vitiates the whole thing, my lord. If cross is not provided to me, the evidences. And another thing, my lord, when the department says that there is no requirement of departmental proceeding, what was the necessity for the state commission? This is at, my lord, this is. My lord, I don't find, my lord, there is no provision. Manual to the, manual to the. There is no provision for review, my lord. And only in, my lord, in 81 of the Assam Police Act 2007, person likely to be prejudicially affected to be heard. And the, my lord, functions of the commission is at section 78. Powers of commission in 79. Assam Police Act 2007. My lord, this division bench held, my lord, giving me not the opportunity of crossing the witnesses. This is a violation of natural justice. Only this order is passed, my lord, that the commission itself held that the department thought of that there is no requirement of this. Tripura, my lord, ultimately, my lord, with it has been said, my lord, para 7. Therefore, on short ground, we are of the opinion that the order of the Police Accountability Commission, respondent number 4 cannot be sustained. The same is accordingly set aside. It is for the commission to decide whether it wants to reopen the matter, and to decide to do so, then it must give the petitioner opportunity of not only cross-examining the witness, but an opportunity to lead his own evidence and put forth his views on the case. Here, my lord, they have taken the evidences, no opportunity of giving me that cross, neither the department thought of no departmental procedure, neither in the misconduct also, that it does not come in the serious misconduct. Now, my lord, at page 42 onwards, 43 show cause has been initiated against me. Section 78 says about the serious misconducts. Nothing has been done willfully by me, madam. And in Dhubri Melad, he would have fled away to Bangladesh. He was a smuggler, madam. But Malad, that is the maybe those are in my favor, but no, given whatever it has been produced, nothing. I don't know anything, Malad. My lord, though the department wanted that there should not be any DP against me. My lord. Department. But maybe they will. Case diary was also produced, that was also not provided to me. No, nothing was done. I have given my statement. I have given my statement. I have given. My lord, this is the under the Police Act, Assam Police Act. Functions of Commission Section 78. Must have picked up a pen. I must have picked up. Well, page number, it is 56, section 78, function of the commission. No, my lord. Only thing, my lord, your lordship may look into section 81. 81, page 58.
Lordship, we also need to Lordship, whether the order passed by the commission, whether this is recommendatory, only the recommendation, or this has to be implemented, or only that part, Lordship, I need to. Yes, Lordship, only. Yes, Lordship, and subsequent to that, yes, Lordship, as already Shokos has been issued and it's almost a month, Lordship, that I don't know whether the petitioner has replied it or not, Lordship. Lordship.
I agree with my
Said it is there, Lordship.
I agree in my statement. Page
It is
20.
there, Lordship.
Page 20. Only statement, my lord, and other documents, everything, no, nothing was provided to me. Only my statement was recorded. Hmm. And the department also says that there should not be any DP. What was there? What was there, madam? That has not been detailed. Required. No, no.
If it is respond number 2, Lordship, I'm little bit, but 2 and 6, Lordship.
It was suo moto, no complaint was lodged. It was suo moto taken by the commission. Obliged.
I know this matter relates to compassionate appointment, my lord. The DLC has recommended, my lord, page 30. My father died in the pendency shall not be a bar, my lord.
No lordship. How it can be lordship?
Because, my lord, it cannot be a bar. Because last date is, my lord, 3 months has been extended.
Let them apply lordship. There is none.
Yes, my lord. That will follow.
কোনে উদ্যোগ হলে এইটো কেলে pending নাথাকে? সেদিনা কি সেনেকা হৈছে এইটো? হা? Lordship, may I pray lordship? If it is extended, the time is extended, so I
Time has
think,
been extended, page 49.
so they are at liberty lordship if they feel so. So
Yes.
there is no point of keeping the matter pending lordship.
My lord, DLC has rejected, recommended, SLC has rejected on the ground of late submission. But there is another judgment passed by this honorable court that the time limit of 1 year is not mandatory. It is a directorial nature. So honorable court directed the matter to be decided by the SLC afresh. So I pay for the same decision because the extension time is,
No.
yes, my lord, page 49. 3 months from 3/10/2025. Page 50, last paragraph.
3 months from?
From 3/10/2025.
So this will
Lordship,
expire
this
in-
is regarding the compliance of the order. This
Matter
is
is
not,
under consideration, my lord.
this is already,
This is in regard to the
My lord,
information you are required to submit
yes, lordship.
in
Because-
terms of 38.
Yes, my lord, because we could not submit because we did not challenge the OM, which is under challenge before this honorable court.
No, I think there is another subsequent
No.
OM saying that all matters pending or.
Yes, lordship. SOP was issued lordship. It was also
was filed-
30th August
Does it
lordship.
include- Does it include these cases?
Lordship, actually, there was a direction on 3/4/2025 judgment lordship. So there was a specific time limit was there.
6
During this time limit lordship, it would not be possible to dispose of all this, to comply with the directions. Accordingly, the state of Assam has sought extension of time lordship for
This
compliance of the order.
342 is not applicable to them.
No,
because I did
this
not
is not
challenge.
because this matter was not pending
So
lordship. So this cannot be lordship.
We will issue notice then. Issue notice returnable 4 weeks MS appears on behalf of all respondents. Therefore, notice is away. The extra copy will be furnished within a period of 1 week from today. Pendency of the writ petition shall not be a bar to redress the grievances raised. by
Place
the
the
writ
case
petition.
before the DLC. SHG.
redress the grievances raised by the petitioner, whatever grievances.
Lordship.
Petitioner is presently serving as an accredited engineer at Sherlock Cow Panchayat under Binakanandi Development Block. He was being transferred by Tribune order dated 27/11/2025 within 2 months of his earlier joining date. So it's a case of frequent transfer, Your Honor. Earlier transfer was also order was issued also within.
Where is
8
that
months.
order? Where is that order?
That impugn order is
Sir.
at page 37 here.
Why are you transferring him?
Lordship, we have received telephonic instruction that there was a complaint filed against him, because of which he has been transferred.
But no such reason was assigned in the transfer order here.
May not be.
And
Be there
he,
in the file.
and he has not even joined the place of posting. And he has filed his petition.
You go and join wherever you are posted. We'll examine your challenge. If we allow the writ petition, you'll come back.
Because this transfer was a new post is inter-district transfer, Your Honor. It is 500 kilometer away from his present posting and house. His father was
Inter-district is not
recently
allowed. Inter-district is not allowed.
allowed, but his father is recently dead and he is the only earning male
Alright,
member
you
in
get
his-
your instructions on Monday.
Lordship, but the incidence of transfer is part of it. He'll have
We'll
to.
see all that. You go and get your instructions. Why is he being transferred like this?
Lordship, he has a
If you
complaint
have, if you have to take action, you take action against him.
that will follow up, but he will have to join the place of posting. Lordship, it has been more than 7 days.
He'll have to join. We want to know the reasons. You tell us the reasons.
Lordship,
Give us the reasons why.
will provide the.
That will make the writ petition infractuous if he has to go and join. He's challenging the transfer.
Lordship, but in the case of SC section, it has been told that the petitioner will have to join first, then only litigate.
Yes, then we'll examine it, but we want you to obtain the instructions why you are issuing a transfer order. His case is that he's been tossed around.
No, he is not been trusted. A complaint has been filed. That is why he has been
So,
transferred.
so get the instruction, get what complaints are there, show it. When can you do it?
Week's time.
1 week. We thought you'd say Monday,
When
No.
is the Wednesday? It can.
Wednesday, all right. Matter be listed on 10th December. Enabling the Learned Standing Council Panchayat in Rural Development to obtain instructions as to why the petitioner has been transferred out by the impugned order. Page number?
37.
Impugned order dated 27/11/2025. From his present place of, from his earlier place of posting to Katigora Gaon Panchayat under Katigora Development Block, Kachar. Stop. Petitioner claims this transfer order was issued within 2 months from his earlier date of transfer.
Yes.
There are counsel for the respondent submits that as per telephonic instructions, there are complaints received against the petitioner, therefore he was transferred. However, we permit the standing council to obtain further instructions in the matter based on 10th. Till the next date fixed. The transfer orders insofar as the writ petitioner shall not be given effect to. Mr. Sikias Borua, IPS 4.
4 and 5 verses.
4 and 5.
10th.
10th of December.
May I please? This is the cover case, my lord. The petitioner here,
Similar order.
similar order, my lord.
Where is that order?
That order is, would start from page 264. Relevant portion is 294.
294.
Yes,
Similar orders, silo. Right? Yes, similar orders?
Yes, Lordship. After verification, Lordship, by
Yes,
the.
it's after very. Lord, log ID will last us a line. That,
Ali, yes, a pair of 5 years. Disposed, Health Council for Public disposed, yes.
Okay, sir.
Deeply obliged.
Well, in this case, my lord, petitioner, my lord, applied for the post of constable GD, my lord.
Hmm.
But here they have, my lord, in spite of his successful completion of the, my lord, computer then test, my lord, and my lord, physical verification, etc., my lord. But recently, at the time of, my lord, verification of the documents, my lord, it is found that OBC certificate, my lord, last page, my lord, the grounds of my rejection of, my lord, allowing the document verification. Date of birth is 5/11/2000 and age is so and so, my lord, 28 days. OBC non-creamy layer certificate as on date 14/10/24 not produced, due to which you are overage and not eligible to get relaxation of OBC. But in fact, my lord, certificate issued, my lord, and that was also submitted. But Deputy Commissioner has specifically mentioned that, saying that, my lord, non-creamy layer caste certificate page 54, my lord. Annexure 7.
Hmm.
It was issued on 26/24.
So why did you not get it in time? Why did you not submit in time?
I submitted, my lord, but the Deputy Commissioner has issued one letter, my lord.
Where
Can
is
you say, page Annexure 8, page 57, my lord. Can you read your lordship? What he has mentioned.
57.
With reference to so and so, I have honored to inform you that he wrote the presiding officer, my lord, following the candidate who has appeared for recruitment exercise group CRPF Guwahati, American Guwahati, Assam is requesting for backward NCL OBC annexure certificate, as the same is being sought by the recruitment board at the group center CRPF so and so. Name of the candidate Rituras Das. The candidate is presently being rejected for non-submission of OBC certificate prior to the date of filing of the application 14/10/24. The candidate has intimated that the examiners of the recruiting department are asking NCL non-criminal certificate prior to the last date of application 14/10/24. It is the case, it is pertinent to mention here that the candidate has applied for NCL certificate recently, and the existing system is unable to generate backdated OBC NCL certificate. As such, considering the fact that a appearing candidate genuinely belongs to OBC community since birth and has been certified as belong to the non-creamy layer category as per the report of the circle officer Bozali, dated so and so. In considering the above.
Why are you asking for backdated OBC certificate?
No, like already, my lord, they are, but he has causing some late, my lord. They have supplied me non-criminal certificate page 55. But they have caused some late, my lord. That is why, my lord,
Where?
Yes, page 55. Bottom, my lord, Rituras and his family ordinary reside Bozali. This is also to certify that she does not belong to the person section creamy layer mentioned in column 3 of the section so and so. The development of the person training dated so and so, who is modified file number so and further modified date.
So this was issued on 22nd.
Yes, my lord.
2025.
Yes, my lord.
Then why is the letter at page number 57 saying that you asked for a backdated certificate?
No, my lord, backdated certificate already, my lord, caste certificate was there, but it has to be supplied by the Deputy Commissioner. It was certificate 26/24. It was, my lord, affixed there, my lord, online there, Annexure 7, page 54, caste certificate. But in spite of that, my lord, that is why Deputy Commissioner possibly wrote to the, my lord.
Yes, who's for this state?
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent 6, Lordship. I'll have to obtain instruction in this, Lordship. And
When is the last date?
Last date, my lord, 9.
9. You get it by Monday.
yes, Lordship.
My lord, may I point out, my lord, page 58. Page 58, my lord, Annexure 7. Only because of this problem, my lord. From the certificate be produced by the other backward class. This is to certify that Sri Rituras Das so and so belongs to community which is recognized backward class number so and so. Sri
this certificate, my lord, issued, this is also to certify that he does not belongs to the person.
Let her get instructions.
my
You
lord.
heard counsel for parties, the petitioner is agreed that in spite of the OBC within bracket NCL certificate issued by the Deputy Commissioner or District Development Commissioner Bozali, the respondent authorities are refusing to accept the candidature of the petitioner who has submitted for who has applied, who has appeared before the authorities pursuant to the advertisement dated 5/9/2024, offering his candidature for the post of Constable GD. Stop. Being agreed, he has filed the writ petition. Para MSU Sharma, learned government advocate, submits that she would like to obtain the instructions in the matter. Stop, considering that the last date for the process for recruitment, as stated by the writ petitioner, is on
Physical
9th,
9, physical verification, 9,
9th of December.
December.
Last date for physical verification is 9th of December 2025. Let the matter be listed again on 8th of December,
Lordship.
enabling the learned government advocate to obtain our instructions in the matter. Considering the urgency expressed, let the extra copies be furnished
2 days.
to the learned government advocate by the counsel for the petitioner during the course of the day. List accordingly.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Item 14.
Yes,
Let-
Mr. Gupta.
The matter relates to my issuance of my lord, non-issuance so-called notice, only DRC 01 was issued. It is covered by lordship order, my lord.
Where is that order?
My lord, I'm providing copy.
Mr. Gogoi?
The lordship will issue a short notice, and in every case, notice is issued thereafter, my lord. Because at least I will have the instruction whether the so-called was issued or not.
Is it necessary to issue notice? We can
Yes,
keep it
that's why
next
I'm-
week,
Yes, my lord. Let it be Friday next week, my lord.
Friday.
Yes.
You get your instructions, will not issue.
Only on that point. Yes, let it be in a motion stage. I will have the instruction.
Heard learned counsel for the parties. The petitioner is agreed that the impugned order
But 29/4/2024, my lord.
29/4/2024, raising the demand of 526,193 in this petition, next to delegate notice. Was issued by the respondent authority without issuing a show cause notice. Learned counsel for the petitioner has pressed into service an order dated 27/11/2024, passed in WPC 5901 of 2024 by this court. Topic is submitted that the matter is similarly situated and therefore the similar orders can be passed disposing of the matter. Para Mr. B. Gogoi, learned additional AG appearing for the state on the other end, submits that he be permitted to get his instructions in this regard. Stop as agreed to by the council for parties, list again on 12th
Yeah.
December.
Yeah, item 15 is also similar, my lord.
Same, my lord.
Uh,
Same.
Item-
Date of order will be, my lord,
Item 15, date of order
13/12/2023.
13/12/2023, demand
My lord, demand amount, my lord, 7,91,903.
791,903.
903. Much obliged.
You serve copies immediately.
My lord, today. May it please your lordship. My lord, annex 3, page 21. It is the letter of respondent P to the petitioner.
Yes, any instructions?
Yes, Lordship. As per my instruction, Lordship, there is a ban from the Ministry of Defense regarding filling up the civilian post on compassionate ground as well as the general post, Lordship, until further order. So
Then we'll,
therefore, her
then
case could not be considered,
then we'll issue notice here.
Lordship.
We'll issue notice here.
Earlier, Lordship, her case was considered by the Board of Officers,
All right.
but she could not file the documents.
Issue notice, return in 4 weeks. MSR Devi appears for all the respondents.
Yes, Lordship.
Therefore, notices are waived. The extra copies be furnished within a period of 1 week from today. Matter be listed again after the returnable date. Respondents may complete their instructions and file necessary affidavit if so advised.
That may,
No date, after 4 weeks.
bless.
My lord, in this matter, I need a small, short accommodation to obtain the instruction, my lord. Or my lord may issue notice in this matter.
Yes. Notice,
Notice maybe.
right, council for parties issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. B. Tekal and CGC appears on behalf of all the respondents, therefore notices are waived. Extra copies be furnished within a period of 1 week from today. Matter be listed after the returnable date. Respondents may complete their instructions and file necessary affidavit.
Deeply
If so
obliged, my lord.
advised.
Deeply.
Yes.
My lord, matter pertains to disciplinary proceeding, my lord. My lord, as per the impugned order, my lord, I have received the penalty, my lord, withholding of 1 increment with cumulative effect, my lord.
Appeals, any appeals?
Yes, my lord, I have preferred a appeal, my lord, that has also been rejected, and the earlier order, my lord, the penalty order has been upheld, my lord. The same proportion that
Heard.
punishment.
Learned counsel for parties,
My lord.
petitioner is agreed, putting a challenge to the disciplinary proceedings, whereby the disciplinary authority accepted the findings in the inquiry and imposed the punishment of
My lord, withholding of 1 increment with cumulative effect.
withholding of 1 increment with cumulative effect. Stop being agreed. The statutory appeal was filed, which also came to be dismissed, upholding the order passed by the disciplinary authority. So the petitioner therefore before the court, putting a challenge, challenging the orders passed by the disciplinary authority, the punishment imposed as well as by the order passed by the appellate authority. Considering the submissions made, issue notice, returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. Ard Hord, learned additional senior government advocate,
For all my.
appears on behalf of all the respondents. Therefore, notices are waived, extra copies be furnished within a period of 1 week.
My lord, I want interim prayer as well, my lord.
Why?
My lord, I was suspended, my lord, on 37/24, my lord, and I was reinstated on 15/2/25.
Hmm.
But my lord, for the first 2 months, I received 50%, which is as per the extent law. Thereafter, my lord, thereafter also I have received just that 50%. I should have received 75. For the period, my lord, October 24 to 15/2/25, my lord, I should have received 75% of my subsistence allowance, my lord.
Pendency of the writ petition shall not be a bar for the respondents to release any pending dues, including subsistence allowance, which the petitioner claims have not been released.
Area subsistence.
Area subsistence.
Areas.
Yes.
I am deeply obliged, my lord.
My pleasure, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, here is the case, my lord, the premature transfer. My lord. Initially, my lord, I was transferred to Guwahati, my lord, that your lordship will see at page 28. That is July 24, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, first to now, my
Hmm?
lord. Inform
Hmm?
council, my lord.
Forest is always lost in.
My
forest.
lord. Thereafter,
Yes.
my lord,
Forest.
I was transferred to Bongaigaon at
Inform them.
page 29, my lord.
You served copies on forest.
Yes, yes, yes. Name has been shown, my lord, in the cause list.
Yes, then.
Then, my lord, when my lord, transfer order was issued on August 25th, my lord. 3 months after, my lord, another impugned order has been transferred. That is by page 32.
Where is the impugned transfer order now?
Page 32, my lord. Second portion, my lord, to accommodate that very person, private respondent, number 5, my lord. Mutton attack,
89
30 by 2. Forester.
The second order,
Yes, my lord.
Umananda,
Present impin order in the interest of public service, Sri Upananda Goswami, AFS Divisional Forest, Bangaigaon, is hereby transferred and posted Divisional Forest Majuli, Mukut Chandra Das so and so, bearing transferred by notification dated so and so, the date of taking over the charge. And top of that, my lord, Junaid Ali has been given in my place, who is the private respondent number 5. I did not even continue continue more than 3 months also, my lord. 2 months, 20 days, my lord. Then I have been transferred. And I am having, my lord, old mother, my lord, 87 years, who got burn injury. I have annexed the document also, my.
where is the earlier transfer order?
Earlier transfer order, lordship will see at page 28. That is July 24. Modification, that is the police so and so. Umananda Goswami, Forest
Mr.
Department have transparent.
J.I. Barbhaiya, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioner is aggrieved by the impugned transfer order dated 29/11/2025, whereby the petitioner by order number so and so, second number so and so was transferred from his place of posting, namely Bongaigaon Social Forestry Division, and posted as Divisional Forest Officer, Majuli Forest Division. Stop. The counsel for the petitioner submits that earlier by order dated July.
First 29
Huh?
July, then page 29, my lord.
No, first is
First is page 28.
28.
Yes, my lord.
So what is the date of this order?
Date of the order is, my lord, overlapping, it seems, my lord, kiman tarik 12/7.
12/7.
My lord.
So 12/7,
To Guwahati.
he was transferred to Guwahati.
Thereafter, Guwahati to Bangaigaon.
Then subsequently again, by order dated 29/8/2025, he was transferred to Bongaigaon. Stop. Now, by the impugned order, he is again transferred to Majuli. Stop. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that such frequent transfer is not contemplated in the by the guidelines and notifications issued by the government from time to time. There is no reason as to why the petitioner should be tossed around from posting to posting without any germane reasons. Stop being aggrieved, he has approached his court. Although the names of the standing councils are reflected in the cause list, he represents the Forest Department. You are representing someone? Huh? For the private respondent? Private? Huh?
Private, my lord, notice has
Right.
to go.
Since a private respondent is also buried as a party, this court permits the petitioner to effect service by way of dusty routed through the registry of the office of the private respondent. Service of the copy of the writ petition by way of dusty. Stop. Since none represents the Forest Department, any government advocate here? State government advocate? MSK Fukan, learned government advocate, being present in the court. We permit her to obtain required instructions. Yes, Mr. Bothakur, why do you disappear always when the matters are called up?
My lord, today I'm a bit handicapped, my lord. We are short staff, so I had to be on other.
Short staff or short standing councils? Short on standing councils. All right. Mr. Rai Bothakur appears on behalf of Madam Fukan, since he has come, we'll record his name. Mr. I. Botakur appears on behalf of all the respondents. He is challenging the transfer order. You're tossing him around.
My lord, 2 days may be given, my lord. I would like to take instruction.
No, my lord, somebody will come and join.
Let the Mr. Botakur obtain his instructions. Matter be listed again on 12th.
My lord, till
Till
then,
the next
status-
date fixed, the impugned transfer order shall not be given effect to insofar as the writ petitioner is concerned. But
My-
this entire order will get stayed. All the three
My
posts
lord-
will get affected.
my lord, in respect of the petitioner, my lord.
No. See, you are relieved by a person from
First one, Junaid Ahmed, he is coming to my place.
and this you are relieving somebody.
No, my lord.
Yes, in Majuli.
Mukut Chandra Das, AFS being transferred. Mukut will come to my place.
No, how will Mukut come to your place?
My lord, Junaid will, Mukut will go to the another place.
So the impugned transfer order, insofar as the writ petitioner is concerned, by the transfer order number so and so, number 2 shall, page number 32, shall not be given effect to till 12th of December. Although notices are not issued, extra copies be furnished to the standing council during the course of the day. And the petitioner will also serve extra copies on the, he's not on caveat.
No caveat, my lord, and his address, my lord,
The extra
has to
copies
be
be
served
furnished
through
to the
respondent
court.
number 4. Has to be served through respondent number 4.
No, we are not issuing notice, so you don't have to serve.
Lordship,
Yes.
obliged, man.
That is 31.
Lordship, kindly take up this matter at 2, Lordship.
Right.
The council is on late, Lordship. Item 31 and 32, both the matter.
No, you call him immediately, we'll take it up.
Yes, Lordship.
Only for the time being.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Item 8.
Yes.
I beg to appear through VCA lodges. This is the matter where I'm seeking disability pension or lump sum compensation lodges because my all disabilities were acquired during active service. The lodges may have disabilities at page number 28. I was discharged in LMC, low medical category for 3 disabilities lodges, out of which 1 was upgraded, alcohol dependency. Other 2 remain same, your lodges. So there is policy lodges under which I am seeking either disability or lump sum compensation lordships.
Where is the policy? Is it specified here?
I will take my lords to only relevant para, which is a page number 60.
1660.
60 lordships. 60 is the typed version. Otherwise, this policy starts from page number 44, but I will take my lords to relevant para only, which is a 60. It says, your lords, para F, lump sum compensation, low medical category persons who are retained in service and subsequently discharged from service on superannuation retiring pension will be entitled for lump sum compensation of disability element in lieu of monthly disability element in addition to service pension, provided their disability assessed by the medical authority is attributable or aggravated while military service with minimum 20% disability. Here I take a pause, your lordships, because my disabilities were acquired in service, your lordships, but there is no assessment in this regard. There is only mentioning of low medical category for all 3 disabilities, your lordships. So I request before your lordships that my disabilities may be attributable to military service or aggravated by, and I am entitled for this lump sum or for disability pension.
Bro, where is your medical category ascertained?
Please, the lordship. In their rejection order also, they have mentioned page number 28, annexure 3, your lordships.
Yes.
Page 28, this is a response to my application, your lordships. There is mention of 3 diagnoses. Austin, your lordships may have it, page number 28. There are 3 medical disabilities, your lordships: Austin secundum atrial septum defect, SP post device closure. Then is the TB. Then is the alcohol dependency. So I was upgraded for 3rd one, your lordships, alcohol dependency. It was S1 with effect from 24th April 2015. For 1 and 2, I remain low medical category, although they have said this is neither attributable nor aggravated, but I'm covered by Dharamveer and Rajveer Singh judgment passed by Honorable Apex Court, Your Lordships, which says at the time of enrollment, if there is no note of any disability, it would be treated as attributable to service only.
All right, we'll issue notice at this stage.
I'm so grateful.
Let the respondents obtain their instruction. You are
Miss Pallavi Avasthi.
MSP Avasthi Learned Counsel for the party who was addressed the court through virtual mode, appearing for the petitioner, and MSB Sharma for the learned CGC for the respondents. MS Avasthi is assisted by Mr.
K. Jain, Lordship.
K. Jain before this court. The petitioner is was serving under the Assam Rifles and was he boarded out on low medical category?
No, Your Lordships. I was not boarded out in. I was boarded out in low medical category, but not. I was not invalidated out. I have completed my tenure of 30 years.
Okay. The petitioner has been treated as low medical category because of the report by the medical board and placed in the low medical category, and therefore you have already superannuated.
Yes, please, Your Lordships.
Yes, superannuated after rendering about 3 decades of service. Stop. The grievance of the petitioner is that his claim for medical disability pension, is it?
Disability pension, Your Lordship.
Disability pension has been turned down by the authorities. Stop. It is submitted by the Learned Counsel that these disability which has been diagnosed by the medical board and placing the petitioner in the low medical category are attributable to his service as the same were not diagnosed at the time when he was recruited. Stop. Learned Counsel for the petitioner therefore submits that under the rules governing the services, rules governing the benefits of compensation or pension, petitioner is entitled to be granted the disability pension by the authority. Her claim being rejected, the petitioner is, his claim being rejected, the petitioner is before this court. Let the learned CGC obtain the required instructions in the matter. Issue notice returnable on so-and-so date. Please, MS so-and-so appears on behalf of both the respondents. Matter be listed after the returnable date.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordships may add disability pension as well as lump sum compensation because I have requested for both.
Lump sum compensation as permissible under the rules.
I'm so grateful. Oblige, Lordships.
Yes. Yes.
I received instruction, Your Lordship.
Tell us, what is it?
After 2017, there is no scheme for compassionate appointment, Your Lordship. Annexure E. And there is no scheme for compassionate appointment.
No,
Annexure E, Your
we
Lordship.
know there is no scheme, but this vacancy position was, these posts are available since when?
Recent year only, 2025.
Where have you stated that?
In my,
If there is no scheme,
yes,
then why is this chart reflecting that vacancy position under
this is
compassionate?
the present year vacancy position only, present year,
So the scheme is not applicable since when?
2017, Your Lordship.
Huh?
2017, Annexure E, Your Lordship, that notification is there. I have marked it.
No, 2017, it is not applicable, but why is the additional district commissioner, if it is not applicable,
Yes, your
why
lordship.
are they showing this vacancy position under compassionate?
This is only this year's, as your lordship asked me to produce, your lordship, that's why I produced.
Page number, which annexure you are referring to?
Annexure E, your lordship,
E.
of my instruction.
This is
Second,
18 September.
second page, your lordship, paragraph, last paragraph.
No, I am not understanding what you are submitting. You are saying by the OM dated 24,
Yes,
no compassionate appointment.
yes,
Yes?
yes.
Then why is the district commissioner showing these vacancies under
This is
compassionate?
because court has asked me to produce the present year's vacancy position, that's why I produced, your lordship.
But
This is
then it's not-
nowhere related with this matter, your lordship. Nowhere related with this matter, your
We
lordship.
don't know. Please bring it on affidavit.
Okay, your
Please bring everything on affidavit. Explain why this position. When the court has asked you, your first objection should be, you have given this memorandum on the last date.
Then your lordship may, I have produced the instruction in the first page, your lordship kindly go through it. That one I'm reading, your lordship.
You see, the district commissioner has clearly held that the entire vacancy position under grade 3, grade 4 posts under compassionate quota is on so and so. This is the position. So it's not clear. He said in 24 also there was a meeting.
Yes, that one was special DLC was held, your
But
lordship.
then also,
Then also his name was placed, your lordship, and due to lack of vacancy could not be accommodated.
so therefore you now tell us that these vacancies became available when?
2025.
Look, kindly show us ask the department to show us when this post fell vacant. It must be pursuant to what? Retirement, death?
Yes, yes, due to
So-
superannuation, death and all,
So
all
to
this.
show us that these posts were fallen vacant only in this year.
Since that scheme of compassionate appointment is no longer in existence, your lordship, that's why he could not be accommodated. Scheme is no longer there, your lordship.
It is not clear from your instructions.
Your lordship, 4 occasion, his name was placed 4 occasion, your lordship. On 4/10/2018, 6/3/2020, 31/12/2021, and even after one special DLC was there that was on 31/2024. And all the four occasions, your lordship could not be accommodated just because of lack of vacancy, your lordship.
Yes.
And now no longer that scheme is available, your
Scheme
lordship.
is not available now.
My lord, this matter relates to the year 2015, my lord. And
They have tried, there are no vacancies available.
order was passed in the year 2019. Thereafter, DVC was held 6/3/2020. At that time, in others department, there are vacancies. I have stated my reply, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, my reply, page number 71. I've given a chart of vacancy position pursuant to 6/3/2020, my lord.
Affidavit in reply.
Affidavit in reply, which is filed on 11/12/24.
11/12/24. Eleven. When did you file it?
11/12/24.
11/12.
12/24.
Yes.
In page number 71, my lord. I prepared a chart of the vacancy, my lord. Pursuant to the DLC meeting held 6/3/2020, my lord. One, Superintendent of Police, available vacancy against compensation department, Constable 6. Now come to second number, Commandant of APBN, grade for 1.9. 3, Executive Engineer, Silchar Division, Irrigation, grade for 1. Now serial number 6, Divisional Forest Officer, Kacha.
What is 1.9?
Vacancy, my lord. Compensation department means there are two vacancy. 5% quota, my lord. Serial number 6, my lord, grade for 1.5. 8 principal come chief superintendent, Silchar Medical College, grade for 2. At that relevant time in this department, there are available vacancy.
What is the reply? Any further reply file? No. How do you respond to this? How do you respond to this page number?
We have filed on additional affidavit, your lordship.
ठीक है, बनो रहे। No worries.
In page number 21, your lordship. That the entire petitioner's claim has already been rejected due to lack of vacancy in different DLC meeting. However, during discussion of the above mentioned WPC cases, the Deputy Commissioner pointed out the paragraph 15 of Government Office Memorandum dated dated 1/6/2015, in which it is stated that if sufficient vacancies are not available in any particular office to accommodate the person in the waiting list for compassionate appointment, it is open to the administrative department office to take up the matter with other departments, offices in the government to provide at an
But
early
it does
appointment.
not give clarity to this.
Your Lordship, that
That
DLC,
this
DLC,
information
second
is-
DLC, I have just now given to your Lordship. That's a 6/3/2020 DLC. His name was placed due to lack of vacancy, could not be accommodated, your Lordship.
6/3.
Yes. Paragraph number 9, your Lordship. W,
6/3/20.
yes. WPC, paragraph number 9, it is mentioned WPC number 4477 of 2019, Arijit Sanar versus State of Assam. The entire petitioner's claim has already been rejected due to lack of vacancy in different DLC meeting. However, during discussion of the above mentioned WPC cases, Deputy Commissioner pointed out the para 15 of Government Office Memorandum dated 1/6/2015, in which it is stated that if sufficient vacancies are not available in any particular office to accommodate the person in the waiting.
Now, from where did you get this figure?
From the DLC, they have furnished the partial documents, my lord, not the whole, my lord.
Yeah, entire I am giving you a lot.
No, my lord, I'm coming to you, my lord.
In my affidavit, it is only extract, but your Lordship, I have given the entire DLC, your Lordship.
No, my lord. She has produced the DLC mission only 2 pages, my lord. 20, my lord.
Just now I have given entire one, your Lordship.
You give him a copy of the entire DLC, let him find out.
Well, that was furnished, my lord. Already I have annexed, my lord.
Where is it?
The DLC meeting.
You examine and come back next week.
Annexed to page number 53 to 59, my lord.
53 to 59.
59, my lord. That was a file on 14/11/2023, my lord. Affidavit reply file on 14/11/23, my lord.
In his reply in page number 59, it is there, your Lordship, what I have mentioned just now, your Lordship, in page number 59.
In the particular department, there are no vacancy. In other department, there are available vacancies.
In his reply.
Come to page number 53.
53, my lord.
Yes, please explain. The name of the applicant is shown on the left side. Right? Some applicant, not yours. Yes, Mr. Chauhan,
My lord.
page 53.
53. It is,
This is the DLC minutes of
2020. Start from page number 53.
There is a chart at the bottom of page 53. Not there?
No, this is the superintendent of police, my department. I am the PW department, my lord. In that department, there is available vacancy. In other department, I am talking about the other department. My lord. In my department, there is no vacancy.
You were in PWD.
I am in PWD.
That is what we want to understand. You come to page 53.
My lord.
There is a name there. These are the names of the applicants.
There is
Left hand side.
Applicants.
First column.
First column applicants and number.
Applicants.
Post
Then-
available vacancy, my lord, last column.
No, so it shows 6 number of constables.
6 number available vacancy there.
Now, this is 6 number is for compassionate appointment.
Compensation available, post available against the compensate ground, my lord.
So how many applicants were there? 4.
Only 4, my lord.
So
Only
two-
1, 2, 3,
2 were available.
4, 2 are available. I am claiming 1 post, my lord. In other departments also, my lord.
Yes. What exactly are they saying?
In parent department, your lordship in
The parent department, it is not there. There is no dispute.
yes.
The DLC, SLC, both of them said that we'll examine it in respect of other departments.
Then other department, then PWD will answer, your lordship.
Huh?
They are also appearing.
No, PWD will answer, but your SLC rejected it. Who rejected?
DLC.
DLC rejected it.
Because
So
of lack
Deputy
of vacancy
Commissioner
person.
said that there is no vacancy.
Yes, your lordship.
No vacancy where?
In PWD, your lordship.
Only in PWD or other departments?
No,
Other
PWD.
departments, that instruction I have received, your lordship. It is decided in the meeting that the vacancy position under compassionate quota will be collected from all the offices, and applicants who did not get recommendation from DLC due to lack of vacancy in their respective offices will be accommodated in the different offices where vacancy lies, your lordship.
So who has
This is PWD, your lordship.
this is by PWD?
Yes, your lordship.
What is the role of the DC as the chairman of the DLC?
Yes, they have to place, your lordship, how many vacancies are there.
Then why is it not placed?
Regarding that, PWD will answer.
We go by this bunch of papers you have given us.
Yes, your lordship.
If you come to this annexure, do you have a copy?
Yes.
You have a copy?
I have to print out again. No problem, your
No,
lordship.
but how will we refer you? If you see the annexure A, this is the minutes of 4/10/2018.
Yes, your lordship.
Now, under the Chief Executive Officer Kachar,
Yes.
only one candidate is considered.
Yes.
Posts available are shown to be 6. So if
In the first DLC meeting, it was considered only for the parent department, and the second, in case of second DLC only, 15 or rule 15 was considered, your lordship.
That's right, it has to be considered, but what we are trying to tell you is that under PWD, it is not there.
Yes.
But in the other departments, it is clearly seen to be available. So why was it not considered under Rule 15 or Clause 15?
Clause 15, your lordship.
That is the question.
In the first DLC, it was not considered regarding rule 15, your lordship, clause 15.
Right.
In the second DLC only, it was considered.
Then also you said there are no vacancies.
Yes, in the parent department, I said like that, your lordship.
When was the first DLC?
First DLC was on, your lordship, 4/10/2018.
4/10/2018. Then second DLC,
16/20.
6/3/20.
Six 3/20. There are several posts available in other departments. Why are they saying no vacancies? Why are they saying no vacancies? You are asking for what, grade 4?
Grade 4.
Under 6th AP Battalion, there are 2 vacancies, grade 4. Under Executive Engineer, Silchar Division Irrigation, 1 post in grade 4. Divisional Forest Officer, 1.5 means 2 posts. grade 4. Then principal come superintendent, Silchar medical, grade 4, 2 posts. So why are they saying that there is no vacancy? You have been filing affidavits upon affidavits. This clarity is not here. Who has given you this information? DC?
Yes, your lordship.
Let's call the DC. Why has he given you wrong information? Second, first DLC you will consider. If no post available, then you get information under clause 15.
Yes.
In the second DLC, you apply the clause 15. But why it has not been considered again?
In the second DLC only parent department.
You come back on Tuesday, explain to us again.
Regarding PWD, because PWD, they are also appearing a lot.
So you are representing whom?
DC.
DC. So let the DC explain why the DLC by notes showing these vacancies were not filled up. It is for the DC.
Yes, your lordship.
List is matter on Tuesday, enabling the learned government advocate to obtain instructions as to why the case of the petitioner was not considered even in the second DLC held on
6/3/2020.
6/3/2020, where vacancies in grade 4 are clearly shown. In various departments like the Commandant 6th AP Battalion, Kathal, Kachar, Silchar, where 2 vacancies are shown in grade 4, Executive Engineer Silchar Division Irrigation, Konakpur Silchar, where 1 post is shown in grade 4, Divisional Forest Officer, Kachar Division Silchar, where 1.5, which equals to 2 posts, have been shown in grade 4. Principal cum Chief Superintendent Silchar Medical College and Hospital Silchar shows 2 grade 4 posts. Stop. Yet the DLC meeting presided by the Deputy Commissioner Kachar rejected the claim of the petitioner, saying that there are no vacancies, although under clause 15 of the OM dated 1/6/2015 permits collation of the vacancies available under various departments under the district to recommend eligible candidates for the vacancies arising in other departments within the district. Let the learned council representing government council representing the DC, MSK Fupan, obtain the required instructions. Stop the council for the PWD. Will also obtain instructions as to why the provisions under clause 15 of the OM was not applied in the case of the petitioner for considering his cases for appointment on compassionate ground. List on Tuesday. Tuesday to 9th.
Item 18.
Lordship, I'm a newly enrolled advocate.
Huh?
I'm a newly enrolled advocate. Today is my first appearance and first case. Item number 2 already passed.
Item number 18.
No, sir. Item number 2 already passed. I'm a newly enrolled advocate. Consider my appearance.
You wait. You wait. Yes, item 18.
lord, this contempt, my lord, is for non-compliance of the order which was passed in the month of May 2024. If your lordship can kindly take up the order dated 2011-2024, my lord, where there was a submission made, my lord, on behalf of the contemner, that an appeal has been preferred.
What about the appeal?
My lord, dismissed.
Disposed, dismissed.
Or it has been close to 17 months, my lord.
Yes, who's to comply with the order?
My lord, the commissioner secretary, my lord, to the personal department, my lord.
Mr. M. Sharma, learned counsel to the petitioner, submits that the writ appeal which was preferred by the state of Assam against the judgment and order dated 8/5/2024 passed in WPC
1467
of 2024 came to be dismissed by
judgment and order dated 24.
division bench of this court by judgment and order dated 24/11/2025
My lord.
passed in writ appeal
422, my lord.
422 of 2025.
2024, my lord.
2024. Stop.
The appeal was preferred after the contempt was filed, my lord.
This writ appeal was preferred after the contempt petition was filed. Stop. However, in spite of more than a year having, however, the appeal being disposed of, the appeal being dismissed, in spite of the appeal being dismissed, the directions contained in the order dated so and so have not been complied with. Stop. By the order dated 8/5/24 passed in WPC 1467 of 24. The
Direction was for reinstatement, my lord.
the direction was for reinstatement of
Within 3 months, my lord. That your lordship will find it page 12, paragraph 15.
paragraph.
15, my lord. Page 12 of the contempt petition, my lord, paragraph 15.
This is not the direction.
My lord, the direction subsequently.
Direction was to reinstate the petitioner in
Yes, my
service.
lord, in a non-sensitive post, my lord.
In any non-sensitive post.
My lord.
Stop. However, till date, he has not been reinstated.
No, my lord.
Yes. What do you say? Who's for the personal department?
Lordship.
You're
Lordship, we
representing the respondent.
Contempt here, we are sole respondent, Lordship.
You're representing.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the NAT, Lordship.
So what are your instructions? The appeal is dismissed. Why have you not
Lordship.
reinstated?
Lordship, may kindly grant us 4 weeks time.
The matter be listed again on 12th of December. By which date the respondent will apprise the court as to what steps have been taken for compliance of the directions contained in the order dated so and so, passed in WPC so and so. List accordingly.
Highly open.
সেইটো photocopy নিব আৰু এই suspensionৰ যিটো বান্ডল আছে তাত সোমাই দিব আৰু লগত যিটো petitioner order আছে এইটো দি দিব একেলগে ৰাখি দিব writ petition and the writ appeal. Yes. Yes. Have you received?
Received.
You have refused to accept.
Lordship, a meager amount. It's 1,23,000 only. As per my instruction, the petitioner is entitled 3,65,000.
What is the direction here?
The Lordship will find it page 13. The ultimate paragraph at page 15, Lordship, last paragraph 6.
Yes, responded.
My lord, he was still in suspension during the time of his retirement because his earlier withdrawal order was not accepted by the board. And a criminal case is pending against him.
He's still under suspension.
My lord, he actually retired, my lord, but at the time of retirement,
He was under
that,
suspension.
yes, my lord.
Now, what is the stage of the proceeding? Any proceeding?
Proceeding that status is, the department asked for the status on the 24th, but it is not received by the department, the status of the FIR. So
You are required to release pension.
pension, my lord, the 50% already he took.
No. 50%, 60%, we don't know. He's retired, you have to release pension. You can only retain it under section 21, rule 21.
My lord, board of director took decision that suspension of Sri Govinda Rasmangji will continue. This way written.
How can he continue when he's retired?
My lord, his earlier revocation order was fake, my lord, according to the department, and the department did not accept that the earlier order of that managing director because it was fake. It was not in official record, my lord. The revocation order is.
You come to page number 10 and 11. Page number 11, para number 5. With you don't have the copy.
Yes, ma'am, I have. Page number 11, para 5. And there will record the claims.
Para 5.
Yes, madam.
Of the order dated 5/2/24.
My lord, that petitioner filed two cases. One is resolved. Earlier was for other dues, it was already paid, my lord. Then this
WPC 1557. Do you have a copy of that order?
yes, my lord, I have.
You have.
Yes, sir.
Then please come to the order. It begins at page 11 of the contempt petition. 5/2/2024. Come to para 5.
But it was covered, my lord. The thing is that because of that
We are
suspension
asking
order,
you to read para 5. Why are you not reading para 5?
as there is no dispute on the claims made by the writ petitioners, there are every likelihood that the claims of the writ petitioners will be resolved upon the sanction of the supplementary demand in respect of the proposal,
So
which have been
you agreed
submitted
that there was no claim.
for this claim. But the allegation is that petitioner misled the honorable court, my lord.
Then you review it. Review that order.
Yes,
You're not filing a review.
yes, we have not filed.
What then?
But it was taken earlier by different standing council.
We don't know all that. There is an order of the court.
Yes, my lord.
If you don't comply with it, we are calling your officers and putting them to prison.
But thing is that the present managing director
We
is.
don't know what the thing is. There is an order of the court. As a counsel, as an officer of the court, you are to ensure that this order is complied with.
But my lord, I want to file an affidavit regarding this.
Have we stopped you from filing an affidavit? No. You file an affidavit, whatever it is, you explain.
No, already filed an affidavit, but regarding that it was complied with, this way we filed in earlier affidavit. But he said that the different, and in the concern, in that writ petition, he did not disclose about this subsistence allowance, my lord.
Yes, madam, who is for soil conservation?
But, I'm for soil conservation.
You are for soil conservation. You are unable to explain anything. We are unable to understand what you are trying to say. There is an order of the court where it is recorded that there is no dispute on the claims of the writ petitioners.
But on that petition, my lord, he did not claim for subsistence allowance.
Whatever claims were raised, we recorded it by saying that these claims are not under dispute. Where is the writ petition here? Earlier writ petition, you have a copy, 1557.
Lordship.
What are the claims there?
This for lordship, earned leave,
Earned leave.
earned leave,
That you have received.
receipt.
Then what else is required to be released?
2338,
This contempt petition is directed against which order? Non-compliance of which order?
lordship on compliance of order dated 8524.
8524.
Lordship.
Now, what is the direction in 8524?
Lordship, that this requisition is still disclosed with the direction to the respondent authorities to comply with the direction issued by this court in paragraph 7 of the order dated 5/2/24, passed in WBC 1557 within a time limit of 90 days from the date of receipt of certificate copy of each order for sanction of the supplementary demand for the arreared salary of the petitioner. So lordship, as per direction of your lordship, as just you have mentioned at paragraph 5 of page 11. As per direction of paragraph 5 passed by your lordship.
So why are you saying it is only earned leave? It is earned leave and unpaid salaries. Your claim in the writ petition was what?
In my writ petition, there are twofold prayers, lordship. One, that I was not allowed to reinstatement and subsistence allowance for the period of suspension.
Come back to page 11 of the contempt petition. Para number 3.
The grievance of the petitioner are in respect of their earned leave. They have not received their outstanding dues, lordship. The petitioner claims have not been disputed by the corporation. The corporation, by communication dated 11/11/2020, informed the petitioner that the corporation is not in a position to pay the unpaid salary or dues to the petitioner due to poor financial condition. Several representations made before the corporation have not yielded any results.
So your grievance is, we have recorded it is earned leave, not paid and unpaid salaries. But you say it is only to subsistence allowance.
Subsistence.
You are saying that the grievance was with regard to non-release of subsistence allowance.
In the writ petition, lordship, there were another set of advocates are there. In the writ petition, the prayer was for reinstatement and subsistence allowance. During the pendency of the writ petition, the petitioner was retired from service on superannuation. So only the one prayer remains alive, that is the subsistence allowance.
But the order does not direct subsistence allowance. It says earned leave and unpaid salaries. You accepted it.
Only
Yes, my lord, that is the question.
the petitioner accepted the earned leave. Now my friend is offering 25% of the amount, which the petitioner is demanding 50%.
50% of what?
Subsistence of his salary.
Salary.
Subsistence allowance, 50% of subsistence allowance, my lord.
You're not in touch with your client.
Lordship.
You're not in touch.
No. I am in touch, very much in touch.
So why don't you get your clear instructions instead of wasting time in the court? You are not able to tell us what your claims are. Or you say that only earned leave, uh, subsistence allowance and reinstatement was there, and since he is retired, the claim is only with regard to subsistence allowance.
Petitions are there. 2338 of 2020 was for lordship,
No, we don't know. We are concerned with 1557 of 23. Because it is this order which has been subsequently directed to be complied with. And when they want to comply, you refuse to accept the amount.
lordship, as per 1557, the petitioner received the amount.
Then if you have received, then why are you filing the contempt petition?
So it is arising out of lordship 2338 of 2020.
Huh?
This did petition, this contempt petition.
2388.
has arised
So
lordship.
what is the direction in 2388?
In 23
Paragraph 6.
paragraph 6, lordship.
Huh?
Area dues, which includes the leave salary as well as the lordship subsistence allowance during
You're
the period
wasting
of
time, Mr. Counsel. You go through the brief properly. If you're not ready, please go through the brief
lordship.
and don't waste time like this. Matter be listed after 4 weeks, as the counsel for the petitioner is unable to address the court on the issues which are necessary for passing effective orders in the matter. List again after 4 weeks. Mr. So-and-so appears for the respondent.
Lordship, in this matter, I am seeking a week's time to file the affidavit, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Das.
This is non-compliance of the order dated, Lordship, page 65, Lordship. There is a clear direction, Lordship. Lordship, my.
Page number?
Page 65, Lordship.
65.
Starts from paragraph 14, Lordship. Paragraph 13.
Let the affidavit come. Affidavit on behalf of
Respondent number 1, Lordship.
1. Let it come. The counsel for the respondent is permitted to file the affidavit on behalf of respondent 1. List in the month of January.
Clear, obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, in the meanwhile, Lordship, my other area and Lordship subsidiary may be released, Lordship.
No, Lordship, these are all been released, Lordship. This is about the after the
9th of January.
Lordship. Lordship, can it be on 8th, Lordship, instead of 9th?
8th of January.
Lordship, deeply obliged.
21.
Please, Your Lordship. So we have filed the amended cost title with respect to the newly implemented respondent number 5 and 6.
The respondent 5 and 6.
Lordship.
Notice is not issued.
No, Lordship. The last date.
Pursuant to the order dated 24/11/2025, passed in IA Civil 3749 of 25. Respondents 5 and 6 have been subsequently implemented as parties. Stop. Issue notice to the newly implemented respondents by raised post within 1 week from today. Matter be listed again after 4 weeks. MS.
EW Lordship on behalf of respondent number 1, condemned number 1.
for
1 and 2, Lord.
1 and
2, Lordship.
respondent 1 and 2. Yes. Mr. Ray Chalia for
Respondent number 4, Lordship.
4.
42.
Number 4.
As per official service complete.
My lords, I appear for the respondents, my lord. Like
Yeah.
to file an affidavit. The steps have been taken for compliance of the order. A committee was constituted to look into the.
You have filed your affidavit.
No, my lord, we'll file an affidavit, my lord.
Right.
Some people have also been issued notices for termination. And those notices have been put to challenge and those writ petitions are pending, my lords.
Right, whatever it may
Yes,
be, you
I'll
file your affidavit.
Yes.
The respondent 4 has, counsel for respondent 4 has entered appearance today. He prays for 2 weeks' time to file affidavit. Mr. M. Hussain appears for the writ petition, and prayer made is allowed. List again after 2 weeks.
Would it be 3 weeks, my lords?
3 weeks already.
Deeply aware.
23.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, as per liberty granted by your lordship on 23/23, I had filed an IA for impleadment. That IA, in that IA lordship notice was issued. But lordship inadvertently, steps was taken for the earlier already existing respondents. And steps was not, however, taken in respect of the respondent whom I propose to implead lordship.
All right, the counsel for the applicant is permitted to take steps on the opposite party who was sought to be impleaded in contempt case number 45 of 2020. Let the steps be taken by registered post within 1 week from today. Mr. Sani appears for
Respondent number 2, Lordship.
respondent
On behalf of DNAT.
2
Lordship.
on behalf of Mr. Dina. This take over.
Hello.
Supplementary list for orders, item 33.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, as per office note dated 3/12/2025, the unserved notice of this that is not been received, but the item has been shown to be delivered. Lordship. Per postal track, it has been shown to be delivered on respond number 5, lordship.
As per office note dated 3/12/2025, although AD card or unserved notice has not been received, however, the consignment particulars reflect that the item, consignment details reflected in the website of the India Post reflect that the items have been delivered on respondent number 5. Let the matter be listed for admission after 3 weeks. Mr. CKS Purva appears for the respondents.
There was a status quo order that will be continued.
Mr. S. Dutta for respondent 1. Status quo order.
Last date, lordship.
We passed earlier, we'll continue till the next date fix. List on 21st of January.
I'm being motion item 31.
Yes.
Item number 31 and 32 similar, lordship. 31 and 32.
Item?
31 and 32.
Yes.
Matter regarding recovery of excess drawer, lordship. And petitioner are working in CRPF, lordship. They were provided.
Risk had.
Yes,
what-
yes,
That
lordship.
hardship.
And your lordship already state the improved communication.
Where is
lordship.
that order?
That order is page relevant
Page 72.
72, yes.
Right. Yes, Mr. Dotto, similar orders? Heard counsel for parties issue notice returning was so and so. Same 72, 73. Both the matters,
Yes, lordship.
31, 32. Yes.
Much obliged.
For admission item 24.
No, এই মানুহজনৰ মেটাৰটো মাতি দিওঁ 2 নম্বৰ লিখি 1 নম্বৰ মাতি দিওঁ বিচাৰিছো পঠাই দিওঁ বেটা কাক দিছে এইটো পইচা বুজি নিদিয়ে না মাতি দিওঁ
My lord, this is for the appointment of arbitrator.
May I please your lordship, before start my lineal line, senior friend lordship, the last occasion lordship, and I will go direct me to bring some instruction regarding on what circumstances the earlier committee has been saying to your lordship. In this regard, your lordship, I have communicated the concerned office, your lordship. They require some more time to give their notification on what basis they have changed the earlier DRC committee, your lordship.
That is not, my lord, relevant for the purpose of appointment of arbitrator, my lord.
No,
We
sir, they-
requested for the appointment of DRC as per the provisions of the arbitration clause, my lord.
Lordship, allow me to.
They failed to constitute the DRC. Then subsequently, my lord, we invoke the arbitration clause.
How much time you require?
Minimum 10 days, your lordship, 10 days. The first week of January, your lordship permits.
Next Friday, my lord, may we fix. The old matter, 2 years have already passed for the appointment of arbiter.
Let us keep it on 17 December,
7, yes, yes.
17 December.
Lordship, 7,
Get your instructions.
lordship,
17th.
lordship.
On the request made by the council for the respondent, Mr. Medi, matter stands deferred to be listed on 17th of December. Mr. Hussain appears for the petitioner.
Lordship.
Item 2,
Yes. Yes, yes.
I appear the petitioner, behalf of the, I appear the petitioner, behalf of the Wing Commander Saket Misra. Lordship, the present message is moved to the jurisdiction of fundamental rights. The petitioner is a serving officer of the Indian Air Force with an unbelievable service record. This right petition challenges the unlawful intention of salary deduction proposed by the Air Force Authority.
Who's for the CGC, Mr. Dotto? Have you served copies on the Central Government Council?
And Air Force Authority and central government.
Huh? Oh, in this matter, your colleague MS-RDB was there.
Lordship, when 5 ASP commanding officer already pursued the interim maintenance. The commanding officer.
Wait. In the absence of the other council, we can't, because when the matter was there, you were not there. We'll have it on 10th of December? Yes?
Yes.
All right.